So, lasagna. I'm trying to recreate this famous looking lasagna from New York City. It looks amazing. The Italian might not approve, but so I'm just invite a couple friends over to try it. It is about 5:30 in the morning. I asked them to come over at 7:30, so I got 2 hours to make this. So, lasagna, I was thinking pair with garlic bread and a little bit of side salad. So, let's get to it. I think that's enough. Bruh. Now usually these emit a lot of like juices and fat, so what I want to do is rather than let that dry up on the bottom, I want to scoop some of the fat out beforehand. Oh, never mind, I guess it's already dried up. Usually I would just dice these by hand, but there will be a lot of things for me to blend, so a blender just seems easier. No celery, because I forgot. Yeah. Perfect. Now the meat is looking caramelized. We're gonna go in just there in this tin right here. Now, unfortunately, we do not have tomato paste. At the house made, they don't have it either. No red wine, so we do in white wine. Woo! Hopefully these 2 cans of plum tomato, hopefully salvage the no tomato puree part. So I'll trickle in a little chili flakes for a little bit of heat, just a little bit. Then with our tomato can. Go up, gonna add 2 cans of water from the can of tomato, simmer for about an hour. A couple of bay leaf, 1 piece of Parmesan grind. And since we don't have tomato puree, I'm going to use this rich beef from Knorr. Borderline extremely rich beef flavor to the broth. So normally if you don't want things too heavy, try not to use this. Try and use like chicken broth instead. But for this one, I want it to be rich and delicious, so these go in. Oh, there we go. Maybe some sugar to balance out the acidity real quick. So now in the video, they made like a little bit of like a drizzle sauce of like the pesto, I assume. So I'm just gonna make a simple pesto sauce and make it more liquidy, I guess. So cashew nut, because pine nut is expensive. Sorry, my phone's about to run out of battery, so we're just gonna go with the GoPro. So if I can just know how to fucking please close. There we go. Ooh, this is how much pesto you need for. And it looked like a mint sauce rather than like one of those in the video, but it looks really good. I'll add a touch of extra virgin Spanish oil for that little nice kick, but I don't want to add too much because it can overpower the sauce. Let me taste what it tastes like. Oh! A little bit more salt. That's a lovely little bottle of sauce. Keep in the fridge. Drizzle on stuff. Alright. Yeah, that thing's still cooking. So. We put the food back.
Start recording.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah, and now just bring it to him.
Let's just record Agam then. Like, we're up to him?
Yeah, like record his face.
Yeah.
Hey, all Marcus subscribers.
This happened once already, alright? What time is it?
7:30.
Oh.
It was meant to be ready.
Yeah, what happened?
It's gonna be at 8 now, guys.
8?
Yeah.
Just walk around with it. Here we go, Marcus is cooking.
This is the bechamel.
It's very milky.
This is the pasta sauce.
Why are there rings in it?
Huh?
Are those ring ones? There's no pasta sheets? Really?
I guess at the East.
Oh.
It's not breakable.
Oh. Well.
Pasta is like 1 or 2 leaf per layer.
Why was it so hard for you to break it?
Is this your basil?
Yeah.
Oh, you covered it up, you bitch!
Let me. Now I'm gonna cover it up.
Oh, you weren't in frame.
Oh shit.
You just need to know when to stop. Stop.
Agam, wash your hands.
Did he? Did you?
I did. In the toilet. I was taking this one.
There you go.
Can you explain how do you get a better camera than someone who's employed at the moment?
Government money.
Okay, whoa.
Red. Wow.
Oh my god, I see all the Asian
Wow.
videos. I'm saying I see the videos of them making this.
Oh yeah, you're not
Yes.
racist?
No, I'm not racist.
You're not racist.
I want you to be.
Oh, I don't have to ask, I know this guy's racist. What's your problem?
I have an attraction to Asians.
I don't care.
Lasagna, you might
Watch
just
out.
garlic bread in there.
Oh, this is not lasagna, this must be some dog food.
Ah, perfect for you.
Oh.
Called your
Well, anyway.
The table?
I mean, look at this.
75?
Yo, actually, your ice is better.
Wow. Holy
I mean, it's a bit better, you know.
garlic bread.
Oh, delicious.
Have you been having like a good sleep in the evening?
You do. It's not as much, but still, don't go to the time
that's my
slot
favorite
every
part.
week.
See, the thing is, you know, in Indonesia we have something like this. It looks like this, but it's egg.
Hey.
Egg. Oh, wow, wow,
Is this
wow,
not
wow,
even?
wow.
No, I'm.
Is it not even?
It's okay.
Oh, it's not even.
It's
Yeah.
good. It's good.
It's not, this side is slightly smaller.
That look. Well, I'm mostly backhand.
Oh, I should go, I'm full stack, sort of.
Now you should.
Vegemite. This is my favorite part.
The salad?
Yeah,
I like the salad.
that's good. I just like.
Squeeze it.
I squeeze it, apparently!
Like
What is that green thing?
It only happens to some people, no?
They literally.
Hi guys, we're here together with this little noob, Marcus Fire Reza. Oh wait, he changed his name.
Mini
Mark.
Mark.
Oh my god, I'm so mini.
How would you rate food? You know?
Not as good as my mom's, but it's really good. Yeah, like 3 out of 7. Yeah. Wait, no, 3 out of 6.
3 out of 7.
6.
So it's a 5 out of 10.
No, 3 out of 7. 6.
So 4 out of 10. What's your rating?
7 out of 6.
Hell yeah!
Hell yeah, 11 out of 10.
6-7, bro. 6-7.
Alright, cut the fucking video. Alright, now this fucking lasagna.